Hey guys, so today I'll teach you how to make this easy chocolate frosting without using chocolate bar. Add 395 grams of sweetened condensed milk and 250 ml of whipping cream. Stir very well. Add 70 grams of cocoa powder and a teaspoon of vanilla or any extract of your choice. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome, and if you'd love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. So cook it on low heat while stirring it. Add 30 grams of butter and keep stirring it until it thickens. This should take about 5 minutes, then remove from the heat and transfer to a bowl. Cover with a cling film to avoid a skin from forming on it. So let it cool for about an hour before you use it. You can use it like this, or if you want a lighter color, you can beat it for about 2 minutes with a mixer. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe.